Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update your controller and make sure the headset firmware is current via Logitech G on a PC. Once done, grab a 3.5mm TRRS cable or the Xbox controller headset adapter. This is the most reliable path because Xbox does not support the Logitech Lightspeed USB wireless for game audio. Plug the cable firmly into the headset and the controller. You should hear system feedback. Make sure the controller is paired to the console before continuing. Once connected, go to settings on your Xbox and choose volume and audio output. You set headset audio to stereo uncompressed for best compatibility. This preserves chat and game levels. Next, adjust the chat mixer so game and chat balance matches what you want. Slide toward game or chat. Test your mic by speaking. If you hear yourself, reduce mic monitoring. Make sure the controller headset volume wheel is up. These steps align the console's processing with the analog headset signal. If you prefer USB, note Xbox compatibility varies. Try a direct USB cable only if the console recognizes the headset as an audio device. If audio fails, check quick items, controller mute switch, volume dial, and that cables are fully seated. Next, test the headset on a phone or PC. This isolates hardware faults. If it works elsewhere, update firmware, power cycle the console and controller, and repair. If problems persist, swap cables or use the official Xbox chat adapter as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.